Scientific notation is a way that we can write really large numbers or really small numbers in math. Okay, you know you're looking at a number in scientific notation if it looks like this. So you have a number between 1 and 9, which means there's one number to the left of the decimal, and you're multiplying another number that has an exponent and a base of 10. So you could do this the long way by saying we know that we have 3.5 times 10 to the 4th. If we use our shortcut, means we have 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the number 10,000. So if I multiply 3.5 times 10,000, that gives me the answer of 3,500. Let me go ahead. Or 35,000. Okay, now I could do this by longhand, but there's a shortcut. Okay, and the shortcut is to use this exponent. Okay, so what this exponent tells me is the number of decimal places that I need to move to my number. Okay, so I can see right here that my decimal is next to the 3. So that means I am going to move my decimal 4 places to the right. And the reason why I'm moving it to the right is because this is a positive number and I need to make my number increase. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4 places, okay, notice I have 3 little humps here, and within those humps, I'm going to add zeros. So 3.5, and I'll rewrite it up here. If I move 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the right, is our answer of 35,000. Okay, so let's keep going with this. I'm going to look to my 3. I'm going to copy this number below, and if I want to move 3 places to the right, that means I'm moving 1, 2, 3. So I have to add 2 zeros, and that will give me the answer of 7,200. And again, 7.2 times 1,000 is 7,200. Okay, so in this case, I'm looking to my exponent, and this 6 tells me that I'm going to move my decimal 6 places to the right. So I'm going to copy the number below. And my decimal's right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which means I need to add 3 zeros. So that's the answer of 4,123,000. Looking at this example, okay, I have an exponent of 0, which means I'm not going to move my decimal at all. So my answer is 2.1. Now let's think about what this means. We know that anything to the 0 power is 1. So 2.1 times 1 is indeed 1. Okay, let's look here. So I need to move my decimal 9 places. Okay, so I'm going to copy the number down without the decimal and start counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So as you can see, this is a really big number. So it's 5,256,000,000. Okay. Last but not least, this exponent of 2 tells me to move my decimal 2 places. So that would be 1 and 2. So my answer is 720. So to sum this up, the shortcut that we can use is to look to the exponent, and that is the number of decimal places that you need to move your decimal from the original expression.